see what this RS3 is all about, man. I'm gonna get hopefully some footage of it. It's a black, Mythos Black, I think is what it's called. And I'm gonna try to get some footage of it first. Show you guys around the car, hopefully inside, everything like that. I'm not saying I'm gonna get it, but let's just see for future possibilities. Honestly, I don't know. I really love the WRX. I'm not sure if I'm ready to get rid of it yet. But that's what we're going to be here for. Just so I can show you guys, you know, around the car and everything. Alright. So, I'll put the camera back on once I'm in here. And once I have the car available, obviously. Alright. Much love, y'all. All right, y'all, so we are in the Audi dealership over here at Arrowhead Audi, so shout out to them. You guys, I have the RS3 right here behind me. Just want to show you guys what it looks like outside, inside, under the hood, things like that, talk about it a little bit, and then we'll go from there. All right, so let me flip it around. There we go. So this is Mythos Black Metallic is the name of the color. It is obviously black. It's got the 19s right there. Keep in mind, I don't know everything about the new RS3, the 25 at least. I know more about the 24, but here's the interior. Check it out, nice leather wrap steering wheel. It's pretty thick. I would say it's not as thick as the WRX, but it's pretty thick. Metallic right there. The seats are super nice. Oh yeah. It feels really good. Here's the headroom. Those lights. Nice sunroof. I'll not turn it on, but I'll show you guys like the lights and everything a little bit. Okay, infotainment, glove box. There's actually more room in here than I think people would think, because I'm 6'2" and I'm sitting in here very comfortably. Like, look, I have enough adequate headspace here. Right there, there's my hand. There's the camera. So yeah, I would say that's honestly really good room. There's a lot of shoulder room too. And on top of that, compared to my WRX, you guys look, this is all flat right here. It's not sticking out anymore. So my leg won't hit this, right? My leg won't hit it. It's flat, which is really cool. I do like that a lot. I like the steering wheel. You got the RS button right here. Performance button right here, which is new for 2025, as well as the RS logo here, and then the Audi rings as well. So and then you got the Sonos system, which is different from the Bang & Olufsen from the 22 to 24. All right, here is the rear. RS3 is also different right here, as you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom in there. Yeah, that's different. Okay, quad exhaust with dual tips. As you guys can see, there is 2 outlets in each one. So, little red reflector, kind of like the WRX, just in a different location. Audi Arrowhead. This does not have the carbon package, but it's got a nice little lip spoiler right here. I would definitely want the carbon package. It does have the sport exhaust, which I'm going to show you guys here in a second. Let me bring this up. All right, so $66,000 is the starting price. Mythos Black Metallic $595. included. Has got the Dynamic Plus package, so 180 mile per hour top track speed. Carbon trimmed engine cover, ceramic front brakes, ultra high performance summer tires, sport exhaust system with black tips. So there's that. Total destination price out the door with destination charge at $1,295 and then $74,590. Wow. Looking at 23, 29 highway. So basically 23 miles per gallon is the average 20 in the city. Annual fuel cost, $2,700. It's got a 5 on the rating scale. Pretty cool. Here's, you guys can pause this. This is all the, obviously, OEM stock specs. All right, you can pause that whenever. But what do you guys think? It looks pretty similar. I mean, it's a little different, but I would say it's angled out. The sides and everything like that are like the WRX. Like, look, see this right here? Very, very similar. It's amazing how it looks so similar to my car with that angle right there. Huh. What do you guys think about the front grille for the 25 on the Audi RS3? Put it in the comments. I am not a big fan, to be honest. I like what they did, you know, better with the 2024 model. I believe it's that one. I do like the rear in the 25 more, but not the front. It's also missing the RS3 badge that it's known for, which is very strange to me. I'm not a big fan of the inlets either, you guys. What do you guys think about those? I still like them better on the previous model. However, I do like the wheels, the tires, the lower ride heights, the suspension more on the 25. It's more controlled on the 25 now. It's going to be a lot more active when it comes to dampening and things like that, is what I hear, is what he was telling me at least. Yeah, I do like the headlights. They look relatively the same, but honestly I think the 24 with the RS3 flashing at you with the flag is just honestly a better choice in my opinion. But it looks bigger, right? Like if I zoom out here, look, full lens, it just looks bigger in person. I mean, I think it looks smaller on camera than it does in person. I'm actually pretty surprised because I can get in here, right? I am 6'2", keep that in mind, 6'2", right? So, let me show you. There's my leg room, and this is sitting behind me. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. This is me sitting behind myself. So my knees are kind of up here, yeah, but I can still sit here. And for some reason, I'm 6'2", and you still have headroom. If you're 6'3", I don't think you can fit back here without hitting you and touching your head. But yeah, other than that, really cool. Got the little LEDs in the back and the front. I think it's you know, there's some hard plastic right here, right? But other than that, I do like the door handles. They feel pretty premium. I mean, they're still like a plastic material, but they feel more premium. They're pronounced right here, like right here. You know, it's still scratchy. You see what I'm saying? But it's got the nice Alcantara right there, or suede, whatever you want to call it. Check that out. I finally got air vents. So if I would have purchased this vehicle, I would have air vents for the kids, which is really cool, with 2 Type-C ports as well for charging devices and whatnot. That's pretty cool. Let's show under the hood now. And then it's kind of like a whole car review here, I guess. Cool, they're letting me film it. Let's check that out real quick. Check out the RS logo there, you guys. Kind of hard to see in the daytime, but hopefully you can see that. Where's the hood? Right here. All right, got it. All right, Jay, let's see if you can open this up. First attempt. Yes, sir. All right, also, the sales guy just said I can give you guys a nice startup here with the exhaust. But yeah, I'll show you here. Got the key right there with the RS logo, right? Nice. Down here, start engine start. Okay. I think you have to close the door. Hold on. Okay. Nice little, what is that? Is this 10 inches or 12 inches? I believe it's 12, right? Look at that. Nice. RS, G meter. I'm just pressing the RS button. You guys, I don't really know how all of this works, but I believe the RS button puts you in that mode. It looks like the hood is open there, of course, because I have it open. Pressing the performance button here. I'm not sure what that means, but either way, there's also a drive select button down here. You can press that. So drive select, dynamic, comfort, RS performance, proactive occupant protection currently limited. I don't know why it's saying that, you guys, but anyways, obviously I have to figure more about this car, but yeah. Right now, let's do a startup of the vehicle of the 2025 Audi RS3 and let you guys hear what it sounds like. Much love. Back here, let me know what you guys thought about that. I mean, it's pretty quiet in my opinion, to be honest with you, even with the sport exhaust, but I think it still sounds relatively good. Let me know what you guys think, but dude, shout out to Audi Arrowhead for letting us start up the car in the showroom and give you guys a couple revs here with the sport exhaust. So yeah, I don't know, this is not the color I would want. I would want green or the Python yellow, Kiami green, whatever it's called, and then Python yellow, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but what do you guys think? It's pretty beautiful, huh? Wow. This is definitely a contender for sure to the WRX. 0 to 60. He was saying they got this to 3.3 seconds, and then Audi reports 3.6 seconds 0 to 60, and I believe the quarter mile is 11.8, 11.7, which is absolutely phenomenal for a stock production 5-cylinder direct injected turbocharged vehicle. But yeah, all right, hope you guys enjoyed this walk around, this tour, this basically, you know, non-comprehensive review, but gives you guys an idea of what I'm looking at potentially, possibly for my next project for the channel. Not sure if I'm going to add this and keep the WRX or let the WRX go and just have this. Obviously that depends on financial reasoning and gain and whatnot. But yeah, thank you to Audi Arrowhead for basically sponsoring this video, letting me do a review, walk around, a tour. Shout out to them, man. So much love, major blessings, you guys. Love y'all, and until next video, we'll see what happens with the WRX. Is it staying? Is it going? Who knows? Only time will tell, but I do got something special to show you guys on the next video for sure for the WRX build. So, and also show you another issue I ran into. But yeah, keep it locked in here, guys. Much love. Again, major blessings, you guys. Skylyfe Projects. Here we go.